What's up, everybody? Let's see. Go. What's up, guys? Yeah, I am now. I'm not sure. Can you guys hear me? Yep, people can hear me. Alright, let's see what we got. I need to turn my lights on. I'll be right back. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. Oh, now you can. There we go. I had to go. I was in the bathroom. What's up? What's up, guys? What's up? Really have nothing on watch. We're kind of shopping a lot. And that Audi red folder news came out yesterday. Sent us moving. Kind of consolidating still. This range. Can you guys not hear me? What about now? Can you guys all hear me now? Nope. Can you hear me or not? You should be able to hear me. My mic's on. Nice. You guys still not hear me? Nobody can hear me on Discord? Which video? I had to restart the whole thing. I don't know. That's weird. I don't know why it does that. About insider trading? No, I haven't watched it yet. Oh, I gotta share it. Yeah, it always acts up. I'm gonna grab water. See what we can cook up. I'm not really seeing too much, guys. We've honestly consolidated all day with big swings and just a lot of wicking. We are in the demand that we held all day. Would like to see how we react off of this. If we do swipe it, I think it'd be a good potential short into the next zone down here. My bias is short right now a bit. It's leaning more towards short. But I'm gonna wait the first 30 minutes, just watch how this price is reacting. I had a great New York. So for New York, I caught these longs right here at 8 o'clock into the high day. What up, Chris? I don't know yet. I haven't decided. If I do start streaming New York, it'll just be in Discord. That was just a supply and demand trade. That's what I've been trading a lot in New York. I've also been playing the range too. Like, I noticed we had a big drop off this area, so I took shorts up here around like 11:30 before I went to the gym. It went all the way to price target, but I didn't hold that long. Where do you see that he's supposed to speak? I don't see that. How do we close on the day? I don't really swing trade, so I wouldn't know. That's a question to ask Brandon. Nice. I don't use an indicator. First supply and demand, I draw. Where we have big bounces, so they use this first supply and demand. Let me call. So like I'll draw my boxes. Top of my range is 36. Bottom of the range is 20. Yeah, honestly, we could sweep these lows. I do have a trend line here as well that we could potentially bounce off of. I'm kind of just waiting. No, I'm not even clear yet if I will start trading with Jen in New York. I haven't decided. No, I haven't been looking at gold. I've been focusing more on my Apex accounts. I can't trade gold with them, so I haven't been looking at gold. Me gusta la lavada. I want to see how we react in this zone here. What do you mean? Buy display 2 different EMA timeframes on Tradevate. Yeah. I'm waiting for the payout. Their payouts kind of take long, honestly. I don't think I've ever waited this long. I got approved. I requested on Friday, got approved on the 23rd. I check it in the mornings because it'll usually hit in the mornings, but no, it hasn't hit yet. I kind of got scared and didn't think my bank information I put in was correct, but it is my routing number and my account number. So I'm not sure. I think they said 3 to 5 business days or something like that for it to actually get sent to the bank. So it's only been 2 days. So I'm gonna wait. Maybe it'll be in there tomorrow. ACH takes forever. I like Rise. Rise is my favorite. RISE with Tradeify, FFF, Alpha Futures, and then I don't. Wise is okay. That's with Top Step. Wise is all right. They're still faster than the ACH transfer. Pass some more evals again today. You guys think I should activate them today or wait until next week? I have 7 fundeds. And then I don't think I have any more evals. Yeah, it says no active evals. So I have 4 active PAs, 3 past PAs, 0 evals. So the way I do it is I do basically a mountain concept. So I'll use 5 micros, 5 to 8 micros, build that first $502,000, then size up to like 10 to 20, and then once I make like that next 1,000 or 1,500, depending on if my balance is over 2,000, then I'll size back down. No, I haven't taken a trade yet. I think I'm gonna wait until this Apex payout hits, and then I'll buy some more evals. I want to be able to. I want to have 2 more pass or 3 more passed by the first, so I'll have 10 PAs to work with. I just like how many accounts you could have, and then they don't have profit splits either. I like that as well. Okay, we finally hit the bottom of the zone. See if we end up pushing through it. We are looking a little heavy. I don't know if it's a permanent thing. I only trade gold sometimes, so it doesn't really matter to me. What do you mean? How to break down? No, I was breaking down. I was talking about how I trade evals. I do 5 micros, make first 500 to 1,000, and then I'll do 10 to 20 micros, and then I'll I'll size back down to like 5 to 10 max. It depends on market conditions though. I really like to use supply and demand and pass evals. That's what I used today to pass 3. I brought them out of drawdown today too. Fundeds, I say 5 to 8 micros max. And then honestly just go for base hits. 20 to 30 points a trade. It just sucks. They upped the prices again on the evals. They're $37 now, and then the activation fee is $109. 50Ks. Eres diferente. We got 3 minutes left on this 15-minute. Looks like it went slower. I would like to see some type of pullback though to like 53 to 40 looks okay, but I like to see a pullback to like 53 for shorts. If we are gonna get confirmation and push down. I trade on the 5, the 15, the 1 hour. That's like my main 3. Where is the 1 hour? I look at the 30 sometimes. I have to make him 5. Yeah, I'm trading 10 and 20. You want to build a buffer first. No, it doesn't. I'm trying to pass in 1 day. That's for a 1 day pass. I'm watching that area based just on my EMAs and fib. I think there's a fib right there too. 56 is the fib. Or actually, I'd probably rather do the session fib. So if we do session fib, 61.8 is right there at 53. The 50% is right there at 47. I'm not in anything, Carlos. On what? On evals. I do 5, and then I'll go up to 10 and 20, and then I'll go back down to like 10. It just depends on the trade though. But I think you shouldn't rip it with the full leverage off the first trade. That's how you hit your daily loss limit. I made 2K. Yeah, you should until you make that back. Nice. My bias is leaning more towards shorts, but I'd have to get a pullback. We did open above my trend line or below my trend line too. I just don't trust it with these big wicks mean that we hit orders and we pushed up a lot. Yeah, micros are the way to go, honestly. So it changed my trading for me. I'm getting some buyers coming in. Ooh, it's cold. It's warm outside and then cold in here. I'm looking for a pullback to like this 50 area for a potential short. Come on. There's a pullback to 50. How long does it usually take for you guys to pass evals? Weeks? Why do you think that is? With 1 day pass, if you're able to pass in 1 day. What's your position size, guys? So for those of you that are trading only like sub 5 micros, honestly I'd bring it up a little bit more. I mean, I guess it depends on which accounts you're getting, but all right, let me just tell you this. If you guys cannot pass evals that well, if you're struggling with evals, I would recommend you to trade with Apex because Apex are the cheapest evals. Um, they are more expensive when you have to activate them, but I say Apex just because you're gonna save a lot of money in the long run. You're gonna save, say that you blow five. If you have 5 accounts and you're trading it with say Tradeify, $100 an account, that's $500. Well, at $37 an account, you're spending what, like 171 for 5 evals. So you're kind of saving more money, you know, if you're having trouble passing them. I haven't wanted to do a passing challenge just because we have not been um having the best price action. I hate the intraday wipe. Everybody knows, like, what, a month ago I would never trade with Apex, but now that they got these new accounts, able to get a payout on them. How much does it cost? It costs, let me see, 34 times or 37 times 20. It costs 740 to buy 20. And then to activate, 109 times 20 plus 7. What did I say? 740. Did I say 741? 2,900. So to max allocation, you're at 3 grand, but just with 2 accounts, you can get a 3K payout. So I mean, it kind of pays for itself. So this 3K payout is going to pay for most of my accounts. Yeah. I have 3 Tradeify. Are they funded? Those Tradeifys? Bob Ross? Yeah, I hate wasting time with devals too. I either hit my loss limit in a day or pass it in a day, or I don't know. I guess sometimes I'll break it up. It really just depends on how I'm feeling, but majority of the time, I'm passing in one day, or I'm gonna blow it in 2 sessions. I haven't been in eval jail since. Honestly, I don't think I've been in eval jail since Q3 of last year. Now January, I was being stupid with my accounts, and oh my god, there was 2 times where I was up 6K with Top Step, and I just went on tilt and blew them all. I was up 6K on fundeds. Eval jail just means that you can't pass an eval. Uh, yeah, eval jail. Still looking for this push up to the like 47 area. Nice, dude. Yeah, Chris, you gotta just climb your way back. That's what I tell everybody. I've brought in accounts back that only had like a couple $100 in drawdown. I've gotten lucky. I only passed like I know it was I passed less than 10 accounts my first year trading Apex in 2023. Passed less than 10 accounts. So my PAs are numbered, and just throughout the years I've had 20 or 19 fundeds with Apex, and on the 28th and 21st account that I've had that were funded, I got a payout from them. And I think a big part of it was because they changed the rules. I don't know. I say it's more of a time. If I don't have a funded account in a week, then I'm in eval jail. That's for me. Let's talk about it. Why are you not passing accounts? Yeah, I do practice DOD. My pass rate in this market's probably like 2 out of 5. It's not really high. Before, it was probably like 4 out of 5. But like I said, with these cheap evals, they're 37 bucks. I mean, I with just one payout, I could fail 40 accounts with one $1,500 payout. I could open my own live, but I like trading prop firms. I need to though. I need to grind on my live again. How much do you think I should put in a live, guys? They are easier for taxes, Kayla. 5K? You guys think I should put 5K? I could. 10K? The thing is, alright, so I don't think I need 10K. So with 5K right now with my TradeBit account, I could trade 1 micro every $100 that I got. So I could trade 50 micros. There's no way in hell I'm trading 50 micros. So I mean honestly I don't really need that much. I think I'll start one with like 3,000. Trade anywhere from honestly 3 to like 7 contracts on MNQ. The thing is too, like if I'm trading the same size as I do in one of my accounts, it kind of doesn't make sense to trade a live account if it's kind of like just daily payouts on one account. That's all it really is. TradeAbit. TradeAbit's the best broker for live accounts, in my opinion. Still not really seeing anything out of this market just yet. I would like to see that 47. Caballo. You guys could always put like 500 bucks into a live account too and just trade one MNQ. Make like, I don't know, you catch 30 points, you're making 60 bucks a day. I was thinking about just starting a live account just to fund, just to pay for, like, keep a live account just for my prop firm fees. When PA gets better, guys, I'm going to start trading with all the firms again. I'm going to get maxed out with Tradeify. I haven't been trading with them. I don't have accounts with them right now. I'm still working on Apex. That's my first one. And then I want to try Lucid. I want to get maxed out with Top Step. I want to get maxed out with Alpha. You could have 5 accounts with them now. What else? What's another prop firm, guys? Top Step, Lucid, Apex. My Funny Futures is another one I want to get maxed out with too. TPT I want to get maxed out with. Tradeify. I already have a pro account with FFF. Who else? I'm already in a pro account with FFF. I can't get I already maxed out with them. They basically consolidated all of my accounts into one, and they gave me a pro account with 7,500 in drawdown. Yeah, they gave me 7,500 in drawdown. I haven't got a payout on it yet. Their payout rules, I could take a payout whenever, but my drawdown will go to it'll go to 0. So I won't have the 7,500 if I take a payout. I could request half, but it's a 20/80 split. Yeah, I do have a daily loss limit with the FFF Pro. It's 1250. I've gotten paid. Here, let's add it up. I'll actually log into my FFF right now. My dash. Let's see. Let's see. I'll tell you how much I got paid with FFF. Payout. All right. So I got paid out in. Wait, what the fuck? I don't think all of them are on here. Yeah, not all of them are on here. So let's see, 17. So I know I got 2,500 once, and then 1,750, 2,000, 1,750 plus 1,825 plus 1,750. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's around like 20K that I got paid out with FFF. They didn't let me hit all of my things. What are they called? The tiers. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep an eye out for NQ shorts at this 47. $20K, that was just with Apex. I've gotten paid out with Tradeify, Apex, or Tradeify, FFF, Apex, Top Step, Alpha Futures. So I've gotten a payout from all the firms that I use. Yeah. It was a little bit over, so they broke me up because I hit the cooldown period because they moved me live and I messed up the account. So they put me in a cooldown period. So most of those payouts were from November, late October, early November, and then the other batch were just from last February. Well, technically March like 3rd. Never looked. I don't even know what light is. and then find out the skills taught us. How many markers? Probably like 5. It didn't hit 47, David. On my chart, it only hit 45. On my trade of 8 chart, it hit 45 too. Nice, Hollywood. I'm hoping we get the ad. I'm gonna be patient though. I'm not gonna jump the gun. If it goes without me, it goes without me. Probably, honestly, my stop loss would be above my fibs, and then just because it's so far away up, I'd look to see how we react to my prior day close and my opening level. That's kind of where my mind's at. So I'd probably say that I got filled near 47. I'd probably have my stops above 60 for a 13-point loss or ish. We'll see though. Damn it. I don't really like this setup as much. If we bounce here and go up test that level, I think we missed it. Yep. Looks like it wants to break down now. Okay, so I want to see this 15-minute close below this 311. And a pull back into like 320s for a short. That's my next scenario. I was really trying to wait for that particular level. It's all right. Our idea was right. Damn. That's my setup though, guys. For those of you here too. So we came up. Let's look at the 15-minute. We came up on the 15-minute. We tested the 8 EMA. I wanted to see it test the fib for extra confirmation. So the fib retracement of the session. Remember I taught you guys about that? We had the 50 right around here at 50% right here at 47. I wanted to see us up a little bit more, split through it to 50, reject, and then get in. That's what I like to see usually. So theoretically, if we would have pushed up in to like 50, started rejecting, that's when I would have liked to see the confirmation for shorts. We didn't get that, but it's all right. Damn, that would have been like a 35-point trade almost. It's okay. So yeah, next thing I'd like to watch is close below this, get a wick back up for short. We still got 5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I wouldn't really want to. I mean, we may potentially be able to get an ad up here on the 5-minute, but I want to see us close below this 311. What do you mean? What session do I draw my fib on? I draw it in this session.
Sí, señor, yo soy de rancho.
Fibonacci retracement. That's what Fib stands for. Start over here at 311 and then 86. Question is, does it want to get this closed down here? No, I'm not mute. Session high to session low for Asia. So from 6 p.m. Eastern to whatever we're at now. The high and the low. Come on. No, didn't want to close below there. Alright, I'm gonna watch right here. I'm gonna try some NQ shorts right here, guys. We got filled at 27.5. We could put our stops. Honestly, probably be like a 20-point stop. I'll push down. Tried some NQ shorts. Didn't quite close below that 311, but I like this bullish price action starting to form. Shorts. Full TP will be down here at 286 area for around 27 plus 14, 41 points. So it's like a 1 to 2. Oh, someone's knocking. It's muted.
Oh. Now is it not muted?
Now it's not muted.
Hello there, how are we doing? Are we all having a good day? I hope that you are. And I hope that you all make lots of money and make a very good trade. Goodbye now.
This guy. Oh, we're sitting around break even right here. Let's give it some time. See if it wants to get with the program or get lost. We are below VWAP, which I like. I got in at 327. Pasecito. 10 points. Come on, keep dropping for us. Keep dropping. VWAP volume weighted average. Oh my god, it's so annoying. I wonder where Jen is. I want to see this 86, guys. We're looking good. I think we can get a push down. Hold on, I'm gonna grab another water. What are we doing here? Wow. Barely in profit again. I don't know, guys. I really need this 15 to start pushing down in this next 8 minutes until close. Would love to see us lower. Come on, give it to us. Like 7 points, 6 points. For real? Bro, why would you say that? Jadon said, get out of your trade. War news is coming. The war's gonna end. 100 points up. He's plotting on us. Well, we were up a little bit over 10 points. We were up like 12 points. Bro, shut up. Does he? Honestly, I think I'll end up. Let me see. What's today, the 25th? Where are you guys finding this news that he's going to speak? Come on. Push down. I'd like to see around 86. The 15-minute looks pretty good. Not even gonna lie. We need to close this 15 though below 311. Let me see. Just let me see. Alright guys, I'm closing this trade right here. We got Trump speaking in 10 minutes. I'm not gonna get smoked. We closed it for like 6 points profit. Shut up. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna wait for him to come to talk first. Dude. I'm going home, guys. Watch it just dump right here. I just seen that on I looked up Forex Factory, looked up the news, and yeah, President Trump speaks 5:20 p.m. my time. So in 9 minutes, I'm not gonna get smoked out on news. I'm gonna miss. We're gonna wait. Honestly, I won't be mad. It looks good. Don't get me wrong, but his words carry weight in this market. And I'm not getting smoked for it. You guys want to watch it together? I'll play it like it's a Fed meeting. Do you know if he's speaking on YouTube? What? Something's wrong with this guy over here. Something is wrong with this guy.
18 months. Just to pick one, our cybersecurity agency, they slashed 1,000 workers. They forced out, fired 1,000 cybersecurity experts.
All right.
Last year shut down a bunch of those.
I have the meeting up.
President Trump didn't like that agency refused to validate his stolen election conspiracy theory. They've been shutting down last year in the wake of horrible natural disasters.
JS, stop trading with so much leverage, bro. It's on there, look. Forex Factory. Literally just type in Forex Factory. And then literally just the main link. Orange folder news. President Trump speaks. What news do we got tomorrow? We got unemployment claims at 6:30. Friday retail sales for GDP or BP. Down there, it's almost 20 points right there, but screw it. I really think we're gonna push down. I'm gonna regret not holding it. Watch, guys. Honestly, yeah, these shorts can go short. We got 5 minutes till he talks. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to trade with you guys much longer. I might get drafted. Hold on. Yeah, if he says it's ending, I don't think it's gonna end though. I think he's gonna dump, guys. I'm only 23. I'm an American citizen. Look at my arm. I was born here, guys. But I will go to Mexico if I get drafted. Americano. Damn. We had yeah, for sure. And I'm like, I Dominican. Imposible. ¿Qué va a hacer, compa? Brandon. Can you guys hear Brandon?
Hello?
What I do?
This thing on?
Yes, I can hear you. Stop shouting. Damn, guys, this is about to go hit our price target. We were 11. Damn, yep. It's about to hit our price target, guys. No mames.
Oh.
Brandon, what? Shut up. Guys. Hold on, I gotta take it up. Brandon, I can hear you.
What up?
Shut up. It's like
Oh, cool.
I had to chew Jacob out because he freaking scared me out of a trade.
Right.
It's like Trump's about to speak in like a minute, so I got out. I believe so too, bro.
Were you short?
Yeah, I was short at 27.5. 30-point trade. Yeah, honestly, I think we're gonna dump when this guy comes out. We'll see.
Did you not call us?
Yeah,
Why?
because he's taking me to dinner.
Wow, TFTI, bro.
Shut up. I'm not taking you.
Wow.
I wouldn't want to take you. You smell. Where? Okay. There we go. He's talking right now, guys. See what this guy has to say. He's talking right now.
Yeah, like,
About the war.
and they're negotiating with 500 ton.
Yeah, I know. He's just yapping.
Tomahawk missile likely destroyed that Iranian girls' school. So will the Americans, will the U.S. accept any responsibility?
Well, I haven't seen it, and I will say that the Tomahawk, which is one of the most powerful weapons around, is used by, is sold and used by other countries, and whether it's Iran, who also has some Tomahawks, I wish they had more, but whether it's Iran or somebody else, the fact that a Tomahawk is very generic, it's sold to other countries, but that's being investigated right now.
At the live speech?
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Says it's live right now.
Thank you. Mr. President, you said the war is, quote, very complete, but your defense secretary says this is just.
These people have hurt our country very badly.
Where'd it go?
Very powerful Navy. These were ships, these were serious ships. These were ships that you buy when you want to win battles. They're all in the bottom sailors are all running off the ships. They refuse to get on the ships. The Air Force is gone. Everything's gone. The missiles are down to a trickle. The drones are down to probably 25%, and they'll soon be down to nothing. We'll have where they manufacture the drones are under fire as we speak. They're being hit. So the rest is going to be determination as to my attitude, along with the people in the Trump administration, what we want to do. Thank you. Yeah, please.
Can I ask you? You mentioned you were going to waive certain additional oil waivers or sanctions. Can you talk a little bit more about that and address in particular
Well, we're looking to
regulatory
keep the
measures?
oil prices down. We went artificially up because of this excursion
I
into
don't know.
a very
I just
powerful
looked up
country.
Trump
This is an
speaking, clicked
excursion that a
whatever
lot of
was
people
live.
wouldn't have done. I knew oil prices would go up if they did this, and they've gone up probably less than I thought they'd go up. But I don't think anybody
Less?
thought we were going to be this
Dude,
quickly
they doubled.
successful. This was a military success, the likes of which people haven't seen. We have the best military. We have the best equipment. We have, I believe, the best generals. We have the best. And this went very quickly. Uh, we talked about that with President Putin. He was very impressed with what he saw because nobody's ever seen anything quite like it. You know, Iran was a very powerful military country with all of the missiles. Now, you had the double attack. You had the original attack with us in Israel, and that knocked them for a loop. Then you had the B-2 bombers, which took out their nuclear capability, and they would have had a nuclear weapon within 2 weeks to 4 weeks. And they would have used it long before this press conference. And we might have had a much different press conference if we had a press conference at all. But it's been amazing. The military success that we've had is truly unprecedented.
You said you told your congressional colleagues that you will not sign any piece of legislation until the Save America Act is passed. Does that include the confirmation of Senator Mullen as your next DHS secretary? Does that mean a DHS funding bill? And Senator Thune said today it's not a matter of whether or not your Republican colleagues agree with policy. It's about changing the process. In other words, getting rid of the filibuster to get.
So in order to get it, you're going to need Democrat votes. And what we're saying is the Save America, not the Save Act, which nobody knew what it was. The Save America
It
Act.
says that he was speaking. I don't
The
know.
Save America Act. And that's
This
voter
is
ID.
live.
We want voter ID. We want to be able to see a picture of the voter. We want to be able to see that the voter is legitimate. We want, very importantly, this voter is a citizen of the
Here.
United States of America, and we want no mail-in ballot scams. So we have exceptions for the military, for sick, for disabled, and for people that are away, business trips or whatever.
Yeah, that's where I found it. Time is now.
We've added two things here: no men and women's sports, and no transgender mutilization of our children. We don't want it's mutilization of our children, and we don't want that. So we added those two things. That's the 5 points. We have 5 very good points. It polls at 86% with Democrats. Think of that.
I thought it was going to be more scary.
86%. With Republicans, it's 98%. And the only one opposed to it is the Democrat leadership because they.
Dude, the
cheated.
market's froze.
So we added those 2 points. We're going for the gold, and we're going to have to fight like hell. Now, certain things will happen, certain things will take place. I'm here to do a great job for the country. But we don't have a country if we're going to have elections that are so corrupt and so dishonest like we've witnessed over the last period of time. You know, as an example, virtually nobody nobody has a system of mail-in ballots like we have. No other country in the world. France went away from it. They owe it. You know why? Because it's corrupt. And Jimmy Carter, when he had a commission, frankly, I think it's probably the best thing Jimmy Carter did. He said you can't have mail-in voting because it's inherently dishonest, and it's turned out to be totally dishonest. So we're going to fight for it. Yeah.
Activated any sleeper cells inside the U.S. There's reports that they have pressed that trigger button to activate.
I posted the link in there, guys.
We've been trying for a long time. We've been very
Is
much
it?
on top of it. One of the things we have to do is get the Democrats to stop the Democrat shutdown.
Why is it so hard to find where he's speaking? Press secretary.
Iran has rejected a list of
Tens of millions of lives. You know, the Prime Minister of Pakistan came here and he made a very public statement. He said that President Trump saved minimum 10 million.
Where are the major news networks?
all of this as a military.
Like, none of the major networks are on here. That doesn't make sense. This literally does not make sense. Yeah, I can't find nothing. I don't know. I don't know. So weird. I literally can't find anything. Yeah, we can, honestly. He must not be saying anything important. Really can't find it. The White House website doesn't have anything either. Close below that level. Honestly, I'm just gonna wait. No, I think that fundraising dinner was earlier. Um, let's wait until 8 p.m. and see if we get some more volume in and get it set up. I think we're not gonna push down until 8. Let me see, what is this? It just doesn't make sense that it would be on that network just because they haven't had any. Yeah, like these are random YouTube newses. That was from earlier. That's a press secretary, I believe. She gave that earlier. Thanks for trying to help, though. Yeah, we just gotta wait, guys. Where did Brandon go? Am I a bad friend because I just realized that he wasn't here? Just chilling, bro. We're waiting. We're being good. Still got 25 minutes until we open. So, you don't think what he has to say at that fundraising thing won't impact the markets then directly? I'll be right back. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick.
Hello, Mr. Gene.
Hello.
Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody.
Chat's right here. Let me see.
Yeah. That was good. What's up, yo? Yeehaw. That's it, Gene. I'm ripping the longs in your account.
No.
Yup.
Trump's thing didn't even like. I don't know. I
How
guess he
are
wasn't
these
talking.
in the same?
You just go right click and you converge them together.
That's dope. Nice music. What's up, guys? Stupid. I've never had a Zen.
I know you haven't. They came out after you quit nicotine.
Never had a Zen.
You're an old man.
Y'all are chilling. All right, guys. Woo!
Leave it.
Bless
you. Oh. I'm just toast too. He swears. We don't have the clown mask here, guys. We are moving like paint. Oh, the field. Oh, the field. Who's on stage? This is boring, guys. There's music. You can't hear it? Because I don't really have it loud. So boring. Drop the link. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'll drop the link. That means an hour late. This one's on Fox. The one I just posted. Trompa. That's the other thing, guys. Jeez. A la pinche tropa.
That's a lot of money. Congratulations. Well, we have a hot party. We have a very hot party. And we have a group that likes to see our country in trouble. And we're going to do something.
What news just dropped?
Thank you for that wonderful Mike. It's been a great opportunity. So I wanted to thank you for all the friends and supporters. Two American patriots here tonight. You know, Richard just told me backstage we have more donors here tonight in terms of not only the dollars, but in terms of the individual people who want to thank us a record. And it's a nice list of it's it'll fill too many of them, like they say. But with your help this November, we'll defeat the radical left Democrats and we'll win a midterm victory like our country has never seen for whatever reason. I don't know what it is, but a president who wins, Republican or Democrat, almost always does poorly in the midterms. Nobody knows why, even if it's a successful presidency. And there are those that say
Talk about the presidency.
really
No, I'm waiting.
first year ever.
What else? What other news dropped, guys?
I agree with that 100%. But I do. We did a lot. We settled 8 wars.
That sucks.
Forget. We're winning another
Trying to end up hitting.
so big. Nobody's ever seen anything like we're doing in the Middle East with Iran. And they are negotiating, by the way, and they want to make a deal so badly, but they're afraid to say it. Because they figure they'll be killed by their own people. They're also afraid they'll be killed by us. There's never been the head of a country that wanted that job less than being the head of Iran. I don't want it. Listen to some of the things they say. They say, I don't want it. I'd like to make you the next supreme leader. No, thank you. I don't want it. But I want to express my gratitude to the tremendous leader of this effort. And really, he's just an incredible speaker. He's going to go down as one of the great ever. Mike Johnson. And the boss of this family, by the way, Kelly. And because of the fact that these lights are so bright, I can't see a thing in the audience. But what the hell? I know you're all friends. Otherwise, I'd get out of here very quickly. But what did you have? He said, think of it. We have a majority of 3 who feel so thrilled. Then it goes down sometimes to 2. Then it goes down to 1. Then it goes back up to 2 or 3, and we feel rich again. It's crazy, and we're getting all of this. Think about the great big beautiful bill. Think of that. The great big beautiful bill. We got it done. And remember, that was a 4-year deal. That was 4 years. I said at the time, and Mike agreed, and John too. We agreed. Let's get everything done. Let's put it in one. And everybody said we were crazy. We'd never get it passed. And that was 4 years worth of goodies. But now that we have that, we're going back for more. We're going back for more pretty quickly. I think you're going to see some pretty good things, which we
Hmm.
50 years, it's two.
Yeah, it did bounce off New York though.
In 100 years, it's nobody's done more than we have in this last short period of time. Nobody. It doesn't make sense. I've gone to people, I've asked them, I've asked the greatest political leaders in the country, why is it that whoever wins the presidency, not Republican, whoever wins the presidency doesn't do well in the midterms? And most people can't explain it. Professionals try and give you an answer. The Democrats would say, if you ask them that question, is racism. As if it pertains to you too. Oh, well, in that case, it's not racism. They always use racism. Whenever they ask a question, like voter ID, why don't you? It's racist. Do they ever have another answer other than racist? That no, it's unbelievable. It's not racism. It's voter ID. It's
Trump's talking right now.
and proof of citizenship is important for our country. And men playing in women's sports should not be allowed. That's very important. And transgender for everybody. The mutilation of our children should not be allowed. And open borders should not be allowed. Open borders where the world is allowed to pour into our country. Shouldn't be allowed. And
Hmm.
because of the rules, it's been, well, you know, Furnace, you've been doing great, but because of the rules, the Senate, it's very hard for them to get that the number. And again, you have those Democrats, they stick together. Think of it, they vote against voter ID. They vote against proof of citizenship. They vote against. Now, I happen to be a fan of no mail-in ballots, even though I won Florida, which is mail-in ballots by a massive number, the highest number in history. And I won other places, but in California and other states, they cheat so badly with that. They sent 38 million ballots out, and of the 38 million, they go to Democrats a hell of a lot. Democrats get sometimes 6 or 7 ballots in one household, and Republicans are calling for their ballot. They're saying, "Please send me my ballot." Very unfair, but I hate that. I hate mail-in ballots. One with mail-in ballots, but I hate mail-in ballots because basically it's a way of cheating. Jimmy Carter, the single best thing he did, including his presidency, no, it wasn't giving away the Panama Canal for $1. That was not the best. But he did a lot of other things. But he did do one thing. He had a commission with Stu Jackson and some other very respected people. And the conclusion was never allow mail-in ballots because if you do, there'll be massive cheating. And that's what happens. We can't do it. So we have to do something about that. But that falls not at 99%. That falls at about 75%, 80%. But voter ID falls at 96%, 97, 98% with the Republicans, 86% just came out. We vote Republican.
Hmm.
They're finally going to be Democrat leaders because they want to cheat. The others, they're saying, it's hard. I don't want voter identification.
Man, this has not been a fun session.
And we can't let them get away with it. So we have to keep that fight going. We have to get voter ID and we have to get proof of citizenship. It's so important. One of the most important things we can do. So I want to thank House Majority Leader, a brave guy. Oh boy, I was with him that night where he wasn't supposed to make it. Steve Scalise, he's great. What a strong guy. Where are you, Steve?
He's just blabbing on.
Ah, there he is. I love Steve. What a thing he went through. And then he went through another battle too when he's a tough cookie. He outlasted it all. He was with his wife, his family that night, that horrible night. And the doctor told me, very, very small chance. And here he is. I actually think he's a better looking man now than he was a few years ago. I actually think he's better looking. I don't know what the hell he did. I think he had the greatest doctors in history. He's looking man now. Also, another great looking guy. He was born
Peace out,
good looking,
Hollywood.
and he's got an even better looking wife. His wife is a winner. House Majority Whip Tom Emmer. Where's Tom? Where's Hello, Tom. He's great. Great guy. Conference chair. Lisa McLean. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you. NRCC Chairman Richard Hudson, who does such a good job all the time.
We got 6 minutes till Tokyo Open.
Deputy Chairman of the NRCC, a guy who worked for me for 6 years. And they said, we want to take him. Can we share him? And I knew he was good. And then his congressional seat came up in Georgia where he lived. And he said, sir, my dream is to be a congressman. Would it be okay if I ran? I said, no, I don't want you to run. I want you to stay with me. Please stay with me. He said, please. I said, all right, I'll let you run. Brian Jack, he's done so great. Brian Jack. It's always a tough name to have somebody. You ever have the names Brian Jack? You know, these, I call them the two first names. You have two first names? People would say, you know that guy Jack Bryan is fantastic. I said, who the hell is Jack Bryan? I had that the other day. He was telling me what a great guy Jack Bryan is. I say, who is he?
Just sitting here.
I said, listen, I know the congressman. There's nobody named Jack Bryan. But he was talking about Brian Jack. Brian, you're a tremendous guy. Really understands, loves politics, loves being a congressman. And dozens of Republican warriors in the House. You're incredible people. You are warriors. And you have to take a lot of fake news like I do. You take so much fake news. You know, if you listen to the news, you think we're losing a war in Iran where we're decimating the other side. I mean, the better ones have us doing okay. We are decimating. They've got no navy. They've got no anything. And the whole thing is, and then you watch the news. I said, oh, I thought we were doing better than that. The fake news really has to change because people, you know, when you can win an election with 94% negative stories and you win it in a landslide, there's something wrong with the news because it shouldn't be happening. And you know, they used to have 96% approval rating. They just edged out at 14. I'm extremely proud of that, actually. I've exposed them for being fake news. And we are going to hopefully change that because I think they really need great news to be great. And they are not great. And they're not leading us to greatness. But we are going to lead us to
This
greatness.
could be a potential
Also
reversal.
joined tonight by many of our terrific
To
national
start pushing
journalists
up,
from
we
the
bounced
nation,
off that New York low.
from across the country.
We
A
swooped
lot
in
of
and
great
bounced.
margin in the House, including Jay Feely, great football player. Kevin
Fox
Pritchett,
is too white.
Joe Mitchell,
It's kind of a lot of
Lori Buckow.
bull though, if you want to say.
Hi, Lori. Mike
I don't trade
Westry,
2 bar, so I wouldn't know. Back test it.
Tano Tijerina, and Eric Flores. All new and all leading and all going to win big. Thank you very much. Welcome. Welcome to a group of outstanding people. And let's get them all. You know what? We have to get them across the finish line. We've raised more money than we ever have. And we're raising a lot more. You know, I did something. I haven't done this as a candidate. I saw the great job that Mike had done, and they had raised a lot of money for the evening. And the
2
greatest
minutes
thing about
left
being
on this.
president
Let's
is
see
you
what this
don't
hour
make
is looking like.
contributions. Nobody ever asks you for money. They want your endorsement, but they don't want. Nobody ever asks for money. It's great. I said it's the only thing where I save money in this business. Nobody ever asked, but I saw Mike the other night. I did something that I never do, and I don't do this bragging. I do it because it's fun to talk about. He was close to raising $20 million, and I said, "I'll give you $1 million so you hit your mark." I gave him $1 million. I never do that in politics. I never do it, but I do it for him, and we're going to do a lot more.
Yeah,
By
for
the way,
sure.
I'm going to do a lot more. We're going to raise. We've already raised a lot of money, but I'm doing a lot more. We're going to win. Our country's at stake. Really, our country's at stake. These people are crazy that we're dealing with.
I know. Like, dude, nobody cares how much money you raised.
Maniac when he slashed her from behind, right? And I said, please, please say hello. And she stands up devastated. And the Democrats are sitting like dead people. Like dead people. No movement, no heart, no anything. And I announced a Congressional Medal of Honor being bestowed on the captain, a helicopter pilot who helped us win
Oh, we're about to open.
Venezuela by landing a helicopter when his leg was practically shot off, with blood pouring down. You know, they land the big Chinooks, a lot of people, a lot of great soldiers in that helicopter. And he was shot from underneath with machine gun fire. Leg was practically chopped out. And you know about helicopters, you land the helicopters with your legs, and he had legs that were not in good shape. And he landed it. He was high up, and he was able to land it exactly where it was supposed to land. Without that, the mission would have been a failure, probably. And it landed exactly in that spot, exactly on time. And he got it, and then he said, "Okay, I'm going to pass out now. Take over." Can you imagine that? And we gave him the Congressional Medal of Honor, and the
No.
Democrats sat there without movement.
Oh,
Just chilling, nothing's happening.
I'm not trying to trade it up, nuking down.
Yeah.
What's it, 270?
283. So it would have been like 43 points.
Why'd you close it?
Because I thought Trump was coming on and
I scared you.
he scared me.
I said, news is coming.
Bro scared me. Huh? Yeah.
Where? Oh, and yours?
Yeah.
You be hiding it.
I'm behind it. I had him from.
Sneaky little snake.
I had him from Gerardo.
Sneaky little snake.
So,
Snake.
oh my mess. Peace out. Be good.
Maybe we should trade your credit.
Principal was leaving, guys.
What they really want is they want illegal immigrants to come in, criminals.
You got me for another like 10 minutes or so, guys.
We're not going to let this happen. We're not going to let our
We didn't really get much volume in for Tokyo Open.
So 16 months ago, with the help of many people in this room, we saved our country in the most important electoral victory in American history. Could be. Let me ask you. Let's do a poll. Fake poll. We'll do a real poll. We're tired of it as fake polls. So I got one yesterday from CNN.
You didn't miss anything, Michaela.
The percentage of people in MAGA, which is close to the Republican Party, by the way, that support the
I still like shorts, but I don't know. I feel like we're gonna hold this support down at 286.
It may be the last time he ever does the show, but these are okay. It was 100% even. I was surprised at that. That was but we won all 7 swing states by millions and millions of votes. We won the electoral college by 312 to 226. We won the popular vote for the first time of any Republican in many decades. And biggest of all is we won, that's where you see all red, except for the two little blue lines on the edge on the map. We won 86% of all counties in America, 2,700 to 525. That's what they call a slaughter. Together, the Trump administration and our Republican majorities in Congress won a
I know.
Right now,
He just be yapping.
we rebuilt our military. You know, I rebuilt our military the first term.
He talks literally about the same things every time.
We used it, and there's no military like it anywhere in the world. We have the greatest military anywhere in the world in this country.
Always talk about the military, this and that, rebuilding, this and that. No mames a la verga.
And with the help of our Republican warriors that are right before me in the House, we ended the illegal alien invasion of our country, passed the largest border security investment in history, and achieved the strongest and most secure border on record. I built 1,000 miles of wall, and without that wall, we could have never done what we did. And for 10 months in a row, this is outside, I mean, this is facts. In fact, these numbers are given by people that they say are predominantly Democrat. They're the ones that make it up. For 10 months in a row, 0 illegal aliens have been admitted to the United States of America. Look at that. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. We've also accomplished the largest reduction in illegal drugs in history, in the history of our country. Think of that. The flow of deadly fentanyl across our border is down by 61%. Look at that, 61. Not good enough, but I'll tell you what, it's down 98% coming in by water. Do you know that?
Oh man.
We're trying to find out who the 2% are because we think they may be the bravest people on earth. They are brave people. Either that or they don't watch
Mm,
television. I
it
think
could
it's that
be.
they don't watch television. Down 98% by water. We had a lot of it coming in by water. And now, if you watch closely, you'll watch that same treatment being given to land. Land being much easier than water. We did the water first. That forces them onto the land, and then we're going to do the land. And they're going to be very happy and glad. Introduce them into this country by just starving them out. Now the
Alright,
Democrats
YouTube
have
and
shut
TikTok.
down the
I'm gonna head out for the night. Honestly, I don't really see anything else I like. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we catch some better.